Configure expenses with tax rules and ledger mapping. Expense management begins in the Trade module to track operational costs against business revenue. The Trade Masters section centralizes secondary cost definitions for consistent financial reporting. The Expense Registry displays all previously configured cost categories and their current approval status with functionality to add new expense record. Expense Name identifies the specific overhead or service charge for internal tracking. Tax Calculation determines whether taxes are added to or included within the base expense amount. Tax Group and WHT Tax applies the relevant regional tax rate to ensure accurate fiscal compliance. General Ledger maps the expense to the correct chart of accounts for automated financial balancing. Submitting the record validates the data and updates the master list for immediate procurement use. This centralized configuration ensures all operational spending is categorized, taxed, and accounted for accurately. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.